Okay, hi. Today I'm going to show you how to do the anterior and posterior lung osculation. I don't have a stethoscope, so I'm going to use the scalp. So I'm going to start with on the right side. So this is just below the clavicle. So here's the upper right lobe, left upper lobe, and then I'm going to go down here and still on the upper lobe. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, and then 8. And for the posterior part, please stand up. Just facing that way. So I'm going to start on my C7. So this is the right upper lobe, left